In an ideal world, every contract would be perfectly clear, leaving no doubt about the parties' intent. But the reality is that ambiguity in contracts is an issue that's frequently litigated in the courts. An Illinois court considered whether a settlement contract was clear or ambiguous in Gassner v. Raynor Manufacturing Company. Gunther Gassner worked for Raynor Manufacturing Company, or RMC. One day at work, Gassner fell down the stairs and suffered a bulging or herniated disc in his spine. Gassner underwent surgery and subsequently developed a staph infection at the surgical site, which was treated with antibiotics. Afterward, Gassner and RMC signed a settlement contract that required RMC to pay for, quote, treatment to the low back causally related to the alleged injury, unquote. A few months after that, the infection spread to Gassner's heart, leading to nearly $200,000 in medical expenses. When RMC refused to pay, Gassner filed suit. RMC moved for summary judgment, arguing that the settlement contract imposed no obligation on RMC to pay for treatment of the heart infection. Rather, RMC argued that it was only required to pay for treatment to the low back, meaning low back in the musculoskeletal sense of the term. Meanwhile, Gassner argued that because the infection started in his low back and then spread to his heart, RMC was required to pay for treatment. The trial court granted RMC's motion, and Gassner appealed to the Illinois Appellate Court.